Awi. Yes, Bantwana, Babin Buila Duze. Right, welcome to level 8. We are about to finish this. Then after this section, we just left with the trig graphs. That's it with trig for grade 11. You are doing a splendid job. Keep up the good work, guys. Right, we're going to go back to what you learned when you started the whole section. 10x, it's sine over x. That's obvious. We talked about this. And then now cot, which is a reciprocal of 10, which is 1 over 10. Whenever you see 1 over 10, 1 over 10, we know it's cot. It will be a reciprocal of this. Since 10 is sine over cos, it makes sense for cot to be the inverse. Cos goes where sine comes down. So it's cos x over sine x. So when you see 10 in our identities, always change to sine over cos. When you see cot, change it to 1 over 10. When you see 1 over 10, change it to cos over sine. That will help you very quickly. So then when you see sine squared, we know sine squared plus cos squared is 1. And when we make cos squared the subject, it gives us 1 minus sine squared, because the 1 will transpose the sine squared that side. This is difference of two squares we can see. So which means this we can factorize by saying 1 is 1 times 1. Sine squared is sine times sine. Plus and minus. Oh, excuse that. This is supposed to be sine here. So that will be sine x. And then same thing will happen with the sine squared. If it's sine squared, we transpose this cos that side. So it becomes 1 minus cos squared. And what do you know about 1 minus cos squared? This is difference of two squares again. So it's going to be 1 is 1 times 1. Cos squared is cos times cos. And then minus and plus. Then this can also be further continued like this. So this, we can leave it like this. Or sometimes you're going to have to go a step further. Same thing with this one as well. Right. And then you have situation like this. These are the tricks that you must master. When you see a plus or minus, the plus or minus, always check if there's a common factor first. So in this one, for example, you can see there's a plus here. So you can see it's cos 4, cos squared. There's a common factor, which is cos to the power 2. So we take away 2 here. We left with 2 here of the cos, plus the sine squared there, because the cos is outside. And we know cos squared plus sine squared is what? It's 1. 1 times this will give us the cos squared. Done. It will be that easy, guys. But when you deal with fractions, for example, cos x plus 10x. 10x, we know it changes sine over cos. And then because this is a fraction now, changes to be a fraction as well. So it's cos x over 1. So it's sine x over cos. So we're going to take these two as our common factors. So since these will be common factors, we're going to have cos x here. And then 1 cancels 1, cos comes here. Cos cancels cos, 1 comes here. This time this is that. I'm going to explain on the next video for that one. Away.